Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza using bread without oven. Heat a heavy skillet over medium, brush bread with olive oil, spread sauce, add cheese and toppings, then cover and cook 5 to 8 minutes until cheese melts and crust crisps. Use a lid to trap heat and finish the cheese. I'll guide you through simple ingredient swaps, timing, and avoiding soggy bread for a perfect stovetop pizza. Start by prepping everything before you heat the pan so cooking goes smoothly. Spread sauce thinly, layer a moderate amount of cheese, and add prepped toppings evenly to maintain balance. If you like a crispier base, toast the bread lightly first for 1 to 2 minutes per side. We'll also cover quick vegetarian and meat topping ideas, plus how to finish with herbs and a drizzle of olive oil. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for comfortable, durable socks that survive long kitchen sessions and come with a lifetime warranty, which is funny because good pizza deserves good socks. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical recipes. I've dropped the sock link and some deals in the description for you to check. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Mastering heat control is key for stovetop pizzas on bread. Too hot and the bottom burns before the cheese melts. Keep the pan on medium or slightly below and use a tight lid to trap steam and finish melting the cheese evenly. For extra crispness, briefly remove the lid at the end to let moisture escape, and finish with fresh basil or chili flakes for flavor contrast and brightness before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.